The game. PDP versus APC. We don't understand the game. This is the game. Buhari doesn't mind power going back to the north. This is his personal desire. The psyche and body language of the north is that they want to retain power. But they must do it smartly. So a willing tool is needed. How exactly? 1. The body language. Buhari, despite being a CPC man in conglomerate APC, brought PDP leadership back to power. APC is now controlled by PDP core DNA/RNA strands. 2. The game. Push at consensus from presidency, and if that doesn't work, use divide and rule to allow their preferred candidate to emerge. 3. The goal. The preferred candidate should be a northerner, but because Tinubu AC bloc in APC won't allow that based on pre-2015 APC formation agreement, then let a weak candidate emerge by consensus. 4. The set of, get a smokescreen APC candidate. The more you look, the less you see approach. Smokescreen candidates like Amici or Osibajo, who are not interested, would be cajoled to enter the race with promises of northern back UPS. So Amici and Osibajo declaring in sequence. 5. The aim is to give the ticket to a weak APC candidate with low national spread. This is why Bat should not get the ticket, nothing more, nothing less. 6. Alarm set off. This is the next stage. They expect AC bloc to be furious, unsupportive, and even break off and form a sudden alliance with a new party. The plan is to weaken APC. 7. The masterstroke. This is the execution stage. Atiku will get the PDP ticket and choose Wike as VP. And remember, the leadership of APC is already PDP and Atiku loyalist. They will work for Atiku. Write this down. 8. The precipice. The election will be won before 12 noon on election day by a Fulani candidate. 9. Northern climax. To Buhari. Fulani is Fulani. It's the South that keeps dividing itself with bigger numerator, and it will always end with negative results. 10. The blame game. The Northern APC will blame the Southern candidate for failure to turn up and unpopularity in the North. The South will blame whosoever was used as a pawn for betraying and jettisoning Southern chance again. Betrayal will be the determining factor in this election. Some Yoruba elders truncated Western Nigeria's development by betraying and supporting a Selekintola, a pastor lawyer, against A. Olowo. The rest is history. If you can't see it, let me tell you, the North is not ready to lose power yet. This is the reason for Jonathan's 4 years permutations and synergy. Finally, they have set the PDP presidential primaries for the Caliphate Day of May 29th, signaling a cross back to PDP.